Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Pinky, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic, okay? Today we will discuss about conversion of units, addition and subtraction of decimals, okay? Now let us start. Now students, let us start our first topic, and that is conversion of units. Student, what are units? Units are used to measure something, okay? If we want to measure anything, then we use units, okay? Here you can see units of length, units of mass or weight, and units of capacity or volume, okay? Here these are the units of length: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. These are the units of length, beta. If we want to find the length of anything, length of any object, then we use these units, okay? And kilometer is the largest unit of length, meter is the basic unit of length, and millimeter is the smallest unit of length. And these are the units of mass, or you can say weight. If we want to find the weight of anything, weight of any object, then we use these units, okay? Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. And here also kilogram is the largest unit of mass, milligram is the smallest unit of mass, and gram is the basic unit of mass. And next is units of capacity, capacity or volume. And students, what is the meaning of capacity? Capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold, okay? What is capacity? Capacity is the amount of liquid that a container can hold, okay? See this glass, beta. Here this glass can hold 250 milliliter of water, okay? 250 milliliters of water. So it means we can say the capacity of this glass is 250 milliliters, okay? And see this bottle, beta, okay? This bottle here in this, here is written 300 milliliter. So it means the capacity of this bottle is 300 milliliters, okay? So to measure the capacity, we use these units: kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. And kiloliter is the largest unit of capacity, liter is the basic unit of capacity, and milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity, okay? And here I have written one statement, beta, okay? To remember these all units, you can learn this statement: King had died, mother didn't cry much. King, here is written K, okay? This K for kilo, H for hecto, D for deca, M means meter, M for meter, but here gram and liter also in the between. So here if we want to write the length, if we want to write the units of length, then here we will use meter. And if we want to write the units of mass, then here we will use gram, okay? And if we want to write the units of capacity, then here we will use liter, okay? So here we will use the basic unit. Here D for deci, C for centi, and M for milli, okay? So you can learn this statement to remember these. Students, here when we move from left to right, then every units will be smaller, will be 10 times smaller than the first unit, beta, okay? Here hectometer is 10 times smaller than kilometer. So when we convert kilometer into hectometer, then we need to multiply with 10. And here decameter is 10 times smaller than hectometer, okay? If we want to convert hectometer into decameter, then we need to multiply with 10, and like this here also, okay? So every next units, every next unit is 10 times smaller than the first unit, and here also. But when we move from right to left, then every unit becomes 10 times greater than the first unit. Okay, here if we move from millimeter to centimeter, then here we need to divide with 10, because millimeter is smaller unit and centimeter is greater unit. Okay, centimeter is 10 times greater than millimeter. Okay, so if we want to convert centimeter into millimeter, then we need to multiply with 10. But if we convert millimeter into centimeter beta, then we need to divide with 10, and here also need to divide with 10. Okay, if we convert centimeter into decimeter, then we need to divide with 10, and here also for each step we need to divide with 10 when we move from right to left. Okay, and for these units also. Now students, let us take some examples to understand this topic. Okay, here we have to convert 75 kilometer in meter and decameter. So beta, first of all we have to write the relation between kilometer and meter. किलोमीटर एंड डेकामीटर मीन्स जो यूनिट्स गिवन है बेटा उनके बिटवीन में जो रिलेशन है वो हमें राइट करना होगा पहले. ओके, सो हियर इज गिवन किलोमीटर एंड हियर इज गिवन मीटर. सो हियर फर्स्ट वी विल राइट 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Here you can check the relation between kilometer and meter. Here kilometer and here meter. Okay, kilometer is greater unit and meter is smaller unit. So here we want to convert greater unit into smaller. So here we need to multiply. But by which number we need to multiply beta? Here for kilometer we will write 1, and here till meter we are having 3 units. So we will write 3 zeros for these 3 units. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Now 75 kilometer is equal to 75 multiply 1000. Multiply with 1000. Why? Because here we are converting greater unit into smaller unit. Okay, so 75,000 meter will be the answer. Now let us convert kilometer into decameter. Okay, so here we need to write the relation between kilometer and decameter. Here is given kilometer and here decameter. So here beta kilometer is greater unit, decameter is smaller unit. Okay, so what is the relation between kilometer and decameter? Here kilometer, so for kilometer we will write 1, and here we are having 2 units after kilometer. So we will write 2 zeros for these 2 units. Okay, so it means 1 kilometer is equal to 100 decameter. Okay, so now we will write here 75 kilometer, and now we need to multiply with 100. Okay, so 7500 decameter is the answer. When we convert greater unit into smaller, then we need to multiply, and when we convert smaller unit into greater, then we need to divide. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to convert 45 centimeter in kilometer. We have to convert 45 centimeter into kilometer. Okay, so first of all we have to check the units, and here centimeter and kilometer 2 units are given. Centimeter is the smaller unit and kilometer is the greater unit. So here we need to divide. Okay, because we want to convert smaller unit into greater. Okay, so first we will write the relation between centimeter and kilometer. So here let us see what is the relation between kilometer and centimeter beta. Here we will write 1 kilometer is equal to dash centimeter. Okay, kilometer is here and centimeter is here. So for kilometer we will write 1, and here we have to count the number of units after kilometer till centimeter. So 1 2 3 4 5 units are there. So here we will write 5 zeros after 1. So it means 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So beta, if we want to convert kilometer into centimeter, then we need to multiply with 1 lakh. Okay, but here we have to convert centimeter into kilometer, means smaller unit into greater unit. We have to convert smaller unit into greater. So here we need to divide. Okay, so we will write 45 centimeter is equal to 45 divided by 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are here. So here we will put 5 zeros after 1. Now we have to divide this 45 with 1 lakh. So you can divide like this, or you can write the answer directly. Okay, we have already discussed this topic. So here beta, we are having 5 zeros. So how can we convert this fraction into decimal? Yes beta. First we will write the numerator as it is, and now we have to leave 5 digits from the right side, and then we have put the decimal point. Okay. So here 1, 2 digits only. So here we will write 3 zeros, and then we have put the decimal point, and then we will write 0, because before this decimal point we don't have any digit. So here we can put 0. So 0.00045 kilometer will be answer. Okay. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to convert 5470 gram into kilogram. So here also beta we are having 2 units. Okay. So first we will write the relation between gram and kilogram. And here kilogram is greater unit and gram is smaller unit. Okay. So we will write here 1 kilogram is equal to dash grams. So here you can check, here is written kilogram and here is written gram. So what is the relation between kilogram and gram? For kilogram we will write 1 beta. Okay, and now we are having 3 units after kilogram. So here we will put 3 zeros. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. If we want to convert kilogram into gram, then we need to multiply with 1000. But if we want to convert gram into kilogram, smaller unit into bigger unit, then we need to divide. So here we need to divide. Okay. So here we will write 5470 gram as it is. Now 5470 by 1000. Okay. We have to divide 5470 with 1000. So we can write like this. Okay. Now beta, here we are having 1000 as denominator. So we can convert this into decimal directly. We can write the answer directly. Okay. Here we are having 3 zeros. Okay. So we can leave. So we have to leave 3 digits from the right side, and then we have put the decimal point. So first we will write the numerator as it is. Now we have to leave 3 digits from the right side. So 1, 2, 3. So here we will put the decimal point. So 5.470 kilogram is the answer. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to convert 765 paise into rupees. Okay. So here also beta 2 units are given, paise and rupees. So here also we need to write the relation between these both units. Okay. And here paise is smaller unit and rupees is larger unit, and you know very well that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So first we will write 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Okay. So now if we want to convert rupee into paise, then we need to multiply with 100. Okay. But here we need to convert paise into rupees, means we want to convert greater unit into smaller unit into greater unit. So here we need to divide with 100. So here we will write 765 paise, and now we have to divide this with 100. Okay, and now we can write the answer directly. Here we are having 100, means here we are having 2 zeros after 1. So first we will write the numerator as it is. Now we have to leave only 2 digits from the right side. So 1, 2. Okay, so here we will put the decimal point. So 7.65 rupees will be the answer. So like this we have to convert greater unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into greater unit. Okay, to convert greater unit into smaller we need to multiply, and to convert smaller unit into greater we need to divide. Okay.